Are you ready to experience cleaning service like never before? At TidyTex Home Cleaning, we understand the stakes in real estate. When you're preparing a home for sale, a spotless space is non-negotiable. Our veteran-owned business takes pride in delivering reliable and professional cleaning services that help realtors shine in the competitive market. With our quick turnaround times, we ensure your properties look immaculate right before those crucial open houses and buyer visits. Imagine walking into a perfectly cleaned home, every corner gleaming, every surface polished. That's what we aim for. Realtors, here's your tidy tip. Enhance your listing's appeal with a simple trick. Before showings, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. This creates a bright, welcoming space that showcases the home's best features. It's a game changer. So why wait? Elevate your property listings with TidyTex and watch the deals close faster. To learn more about how we can help you, check the video description for our website, phone number, and email. Contact us today and let's make your listings unforgettable.